Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube subscription link quickly and easily. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to get your YouTube channel link. To do this, open YouTube and navigate to your channel page. You can either search for your channel using the search bar or click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select your channel. This will take you directly to your channel page. Once on your channel page, locate your channel URL. On a computer, it's at the top of your browser in the address bar. Highlight the entire URL by double-clicking it or dragging your cursor over it. Then, right-click and select Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. Now, let's modify this URL to make it a subscription link. Open any text editor or document to work on the link. Paste your channel URL, and then add the following text at the end, sub_confirmation = 1. When someone clicks on this link, they'll see a pop-up asking them to confirm their subscription to your channel. It's a quick and easy way to encourage people to subscribe. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips.